The Pine County Transition Program, based in Hinckley, serves students aged 18 to 21 from Pine City, Hinckley-Finlayson, and East Central school districts. Students have met their high school credit requirements but need to develop more skills to live independently. The program helps them develop skills in the areas of employment, home living, post-secondary training, community participation, and recreation and leisure. Students participate in community work sites, weekly meal planning and cooking, daily living skills instruction, and employment preparedness.
Hi, I'm Ms. Schultz. I'm a teacher in the transition program. This is our community room. It also has the desks of both teachers. And it's nice to see you.
All right. We'll need some 2% milk.
Okay.
Like regular lemonade.
Stir it, Neil. Stir.
Oh, he's gonna videotape.
Yeah.
Come on, you. Hi, buddy.
What are some things that you learned in the program?
Making / writing checks and using a hammer. The transition program is awesome. You may not get used to being in the Hinckley-Finlayson school, but that's how I felt when I first joined.
What are some things that you like about the program?
I like cooking. I like to go to the first store. How to shop.
What are some things that you learned?
How to do the coffee cart.